Hey guys, Stephen here from Virtual Innovation. We specialize in helping companies build amazing websites. We're based in Auckland and work with people across the country. Now, we specialize in working with businesses that focus on services, trying to get people from a website into a meeting to close the deal. That's what we do really well. And we've just released our new website performance scorecard. Now, the goal of this is to make it easy for you to see what's working and what isn't on your website, and to kind of score yourself, out of on a card, right? That's exactly what I'm trying to say here. So we've got a little bit of information about why it matters, bridging the knowledge gap, fixing the leaks, and turning your website into your best salesperson. Now, on the final score, you've got to try and work out, are you between 60 and 75, 45 and 59, and under 45. It only takes 3 minutes to quickly knock this out, but it'll give you a great insight into why your website's performing or it's not.